My name is Stephen Brown, Lee County Extension Agent here in beautiful Southwest Florida. Now, we have a lot of beautiful things here, including IXORA, and it is normally grown as a flowering shrub or as a flowering hedge. But this one doesn't look good. And there are three big problems that we encounter with IXORA. So we're going to take a trip through these three problems and I'll explain them one by one. Let's go. Here's problem number one. This is called sooty mold. This is an aerial fungus that gets on plants after excretion from sucking insects. In this case, the sucking insects is a green scale. So if we see here, look at all this black stuff, and normally on the underside of the leaves, we can find a scale. I don't see any here, but yeah, here we go. Bunch of scales right there, and that's the sooty mold problem. So here are some green scales, and they normally colonize the underside of leaves and the stem themselves, the young stems. So what they're doing here is they're sucking sap from the young stem and often from the underside of leaves. Number two, iron deficiency. Here we go. Iron deficiency is mostly a problem in high pH soil, alkaline soil. And the symptoms occur primarily first on new growth, as in this case, and this is what we call intervenal chlorosis. So how do you solve iron deficiency? Very common, by the way, in South Florida because of our calcareous high pH soil. How do you solve it? Well, you can apply a chelated product of iron, so iron supplemental fertilizer, and sometimes it can be a soluble one, can be applied on the leaves. Let's go to problem number three. This is problem number three. Every winter here in South Florida, as subtropical as we are, we get blotches or spots on the leaf, particularly on the older leaves. So let's take a look. Here you see the spots or the blotches, and what happened is the leaves easily fall off. So we're going to lose these leaves, as perhaps we should, because look at this, it makes the plant ugly. See that? And this is caused by nutrient deficiency of both simultaneously phosphorus and potassium. So these blotches then can be, there's really no need to apply fertilizer because seasonality, this will disappear. So come with the new leaves, we really won't be seeing this. Of course, we can have other problems, but let's wait, let's not fertilize, let's see what happens, and it will cure itself. Thanks for joining me today. This was our IXORA lesson. Stephen Brown, Lee County Extension in Southwest Florida.